Hello everybody, in this particular video I am going to discuss with this knowledge gadget you can easily crack GPAT. So what is the knowledge gadget I am going to discuss means that is mobile phone. Yes, by using mobile phone you can crack GPAT or you can do your preparation about GPAT. So how you can do and what are the possible ways to do your GPAT preparation with the mobile phone, I am going to explain everything in detail here. So yes, by mobile phone, using mobile phone you can do your preparation for GPAT. So because of mobile phone, knowledge become very accessible to us. For example, you have got one doubt about GPAT exam, how to start GPAT preparation. You can search in YouTube or you can search in Google. So you get the knowledge. So how to start, when to start. That means because of mobile phone, we can easily access knowledge. So in our time, like in my senior's time, when we got a doubt, so we can go to my senior and we need to ask them. So sir, how we need to read for GPAT? But nowadays, because of Jio and because of mobile phone, so we can easily access. So because internet is also become very cheap in India right now, so because of that reason you can easily access. But my time internet is very costly, so that is the reason. Because of internet becoming very cheaply, we can easily access the knowledge by using the mobile phone. I can say nowadays mobile phones are becoming the pocket library. So in my time, if I have doubt, I need to go to my college teachers, we need to ask, and my seniors we need to ask to get the clarify one doubt, or we have doubt like what books we need to read for GPAT or something we have. So we don't have choice what to do, what not to do. But here what happened, because of this internet and because of this mobile, the library is in your pocket only. So that means your mobile is your library. If you use that properly, you get knowledge. If you misuse that, you will not get the proper knowledge, and you will be get effect of that. And you can access a lot of things with your mobile phone, and you can browse, you can learn a lot. That means if you have one doubt that about something like what are the subjects important for GPAT, you can browse it and you can learn it and you can get the maximum knowledge. So because you have choices to choose which is good for you, and you can use the Google to get the knowledge for GPAT, and you can use the YouTube for the getting knowledge about GPAT exam, and you can use WhatsApp. Yes, so a lot of WhatsApp groups, they are posting some daily questions and they are posting some important videos like my videos. So you can use these videos. And Telegram, in the Telegram channels also available for GPAT, Telegram groups also available for GPAT. But what happened, how you are using this all these resources? But what happened, a lot of students just join these WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, and they become inactive. That means they are not using the resources properly. And at the same time, I know everyone in India pharmacy field, each and every student have mobile phone right now. No student without mobile phone as for my study. So as I know that a lot of students are on mobile phone, but how we are utilizing that mobile phone? We are utilizing that mobile phone for proper use or improper use. So if you use the mobile phone proper use to do your preparation, it will become a good weapon for you. If you are using mobile phone in another direction, it will become some like weapon that will kill you. So if you use this weapon to get your crack GPAT, and at the same time this weapon will also kill your future or spoil your future. So how you are utilizing this mobile phone, that is a very important thing. So by using mobile phone, you can attend your online GPAT coaching classes, or you can attend your online classes. That means in my time, if I want to go for GPAT coaching, I need to go for the physical classes. So daily I need to spend some money to go to the college, to go to the institute. That means traveling charges every day I need to spend. At the same time, after college, if you say after college we need to go to the institute, and after 7:30 8:30 we need to reach home. That is the major disadvantage. So up to 8:30 my parents will see for the people we are coming or not. But nowadays what happened, because of online coaching class in your home, by sitting at your home and your room, you can easily access anything. Because of that is because of mobile phone. And you can attempt online test from your mobile. So in my time, if I want to attempt any online test, I need to go to the college to have the computer, because at the time the online test only online tests are able to attempt in the computer only, not mobile. At the same time, mobile also we can attempt, but the cost of the internet is very high. So very high that when we have the internet usage, we switch on the data, and if we are not using internet, we switch off the data. The thing is like that. But in your time, data is also cheap and mobile is also be very cheap cost they are coming. So you can attempt online test from your mobile also. But how you are utilizing this one? You are attending, you are doing this preparation for GPAT, or you are using for some other things. That is up to you, and that is completely depend upon purely on you. And you can watch online classes in the apps. So a lot of apps are now developed and for GPAT classes. So you can purchase their app subscriptions, like we are purchasing the subscription like Amazon Prime, AHA, and we can purchase the Netflix like that. Like if you are purchasing, so you can also purchase the GPAT classes subscriptions also that will you can easily access from your mobile. So what you're doing with the mobile, that will depend upon you, and that will help you to crack GPAT or not to crack GPAT. So watch online classes in the apps, and you can communicate with your teacher to get clarify your doubt. For example, in my time, if I have doubt, I need to text message, but nowadays you can send the screenshot, or you can send the image, or you can send the video also. You can ask any part, but in my time we are not have that feature. WhatsApp is developed in 2015 like that. So that means you have a lot of advantage to do all these things, and because of mobile phones, sharing knowledge become easy. So if you have any doubt, you can ask that I need this PDF book, like I need some book for PDF to read. So you can easily get the PDF. So your friends may be share, or another people may share. So at the same time, different Facebook groups also available for GPAT. So you can join that Facebook group. So every day you get the knowledge about the GPAT. But how you are utilizing this knowledge is very important. At the same time, even without moving from your home, knowledge coming to your home because of mobile phone. Now I post one video, you are at your home, but you get the video. That means you are without moving from your room or your home, you get your knowledge to your home. So that is the advantage of mobile phone. But the disadvantage of the mobile phone is that, so how much knowledge you need to be consumed. If you not have the idea, it will become very dangerous, because high knowledge or the off knowledge is also very dangerous. So that is the reason you need to know how much knowledge you need to be consumed for GPAT. If you are unable to know that what is the limit to consume the knowledge, you will become the heavy knowledge person, and you are unable to do what you want. So you will be confused, because the disadvantage is mobile phone is also same thing. So if you have a lot of resources, you are unable to choose which is the best option for you. So the mobile phone show you a lot of options. You need to be choose wisely what is the best option. So you must be know that thing while using mobile phone. At the same time, with the knife we can cut the fruits and fingers, what you want to cut. If you cut the fruit and you can enjoy, if you want to cut your finger, you will be the person who lost. So that means if you are using the mobile phone for the purpose to crack GPAT, it will help you to do. If you are using the mobile phone for enjoyment, it will finally hurt you by cutting your finger. So what you want, so it is a powerful weapon. You are using this weapon to crack GPAT, or you are using this weapon to not crack GPAT. So that is completely depend upon you. I hope you understand the